Welcome to Drill Down Earnings. We have first quarter results, fiscal 2025 first quarter results from Fabrinet, a fabulous company based in Bangkok, Thailand. Interesting company, though, in this world of AI and data centers. Let's talk about it a little bit. This is a business story behind one stock on the move. I'm Cory Johnson, Chief Market Strategist for Epistrophy Capital Research. So Wall Street doesn't understand this company. They like a beat or a miss, and this was a beat, but the actual numbers, let's dig a little bit deeper here. So in the quarter for this company, a strong quarter, nearly just over $800 million in revenues and 17% growth, so 804 to be specific, but 17% growth on a year-over-year basis. As you can see, the numbers are getting better and better and better and better for this company in every single quarter of the last 5. Now, this business is in a lot of places. Are they in industrial lasers? Sure. Are they in automotive? Yeah. But it's really about optical and data center. And the datacom business and the telecom business is most of the business here. It's about 78% of revenues. So those other businesses are important to them, but nowhere near as important as those two big businesses. And what we've seen is that the telecom business is starting to pick up a little bit, but the datacom business has really been driving the results here. And it's really changed the kind of company this is. Datacom now dominates this company. Even though telecom has started to break out a little bit after a really rough patch for quite a long while here. And although the datacom business has slowed a little bit, only 36% growth in the last quarter, that's really the excitement about this company and this name. Because again, the datacom's fantastic growth over the course of the last year, as we've been hearing so much about the growth in data centers and AI, has been really good for Fabrinet. So after hours trading, the stock initially rallied fantastically, up 10%. But then sold off a little bit, and it was actually closed in the after hours trading down 3%, but up 48% for the year going into this print. So a strong quarter for Fabrinet. Now, interestingly, during the quarter, the company got an award, I should say during the quarter, a few months ago, the company got an award from Ciena, the big maker of networking gear and telecommunications gear. And the brilliant Tim Savageaux, probably the best analyst in the field on this thing, certainly a much better person than me. Better person, better analyst. But Tim Savageaux on the call asking, what was up with the Ciena business for Fabrinet? Has it accelerated? Is it coming to close right now? And at this stage, is it going to be a significant portion of revenue? Well, here's what CEO Seamus Grady had to say.
I think it's probably at this stage, 9 months or so away from being significant revenue for us. But everything's on track. No major changes there since last time we spoke. We're still very excited about that, very happy with that win, and working very hard to make sure we do a good job for Ciena. But no big changes since we last spoke. We have picked up additional non-Ciena new business in the quarter as well, but not one that we can name. Unfortunately, we look to our customers to give us the go-ahead if we can name them or not, but we have picked up additional business, new business to us. In one case, a new program, and in the other case, it's share gain in the optical space.
So, the data center business growing great, but some green shoots in telecom, especially around the Ciena business, is really a good sign for Fabrinet. All right, what's it all mean? What's your big drill down earnings takeaway on Fabrinet? Well, I've got that. So Q1 2025 Fabrinet results. What's really important to remember is not the $804 million in revenue and the 17% growth rate. That's great. That's AI-powered growth in the data center. But I thought was really interesting was the signs of a telecom turnaround. We've had a rough period here for the last few years, post-COVID years, in selling telecom gear. But Fabrinet suggesting 6% growth this quarter, more growth next year with this big Ciena deal. It's good news for Fabrinet and all the makers of telecom gear. Thanks for checking out Drill Down Earnings. I'm Cory Johnson.